Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yep, so this is basically just a small step down. It's about 29 foot something. I've been walking around in this boat for a while now, and yeah, it's also basically a couple boat. 2 grown-ups and a kid, or 2 small ones. It's almost perfect. It's one big downside. It's so freakingly annoying. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna walk down here. Big nice island berth, so you can go up from the sides. That's perfect, so you don't have to climb over your partner when you go in and out in bed, or hoop down to bed. I didn't really like the quality. It's a bit flimsy, but it is what it is in new modern boats. Nice sliding door. Small storage, but here is the annoying thing, because you know, heads in boats are quite small normally, and why? In here, big berth and more storage all the way around. But why, when you have small spaces like the head and this cabin and stuff like that, don't have the doors open in those small compartments. Like when you're in the head, I'm a small tiny guy, and it's cramped up when you're gonna go out or into the toilet. Just flip the door around and have it open outwards instead. But yeah, it is what it is.